Hello viewers, I have been using iPhone 17 for a couple of weeks, and today in this video I am going to share my thoughts after using it on iOS 26.1 stable version. After iPadOS 26 stable version, there was various bugs and battery was draining very fast, so I was very frustrated with the battery life of this iPhone 17. But after that I got an update, that is iOS 26.1, and after that the battery life has improved a lot. Actually I am getting very good battery life using this iOS, as you can see here. Let me show you. Today I have used it about 50% battery, and with 50% battery I got around 5 hours and 35 minutes. That is a very good battery life, I would say. And yesterday, as you can see here, 62% battery has been used and I got around 5 hours and 10 minutes. So you can expect an SOT of 8 hours plus on a single charge. Plus I have limited the battery usage up to 90%. Here you can see that I have limited the battery cycle, or the charge limit is 90%, yet after that I am getting 8 hours plus SOT on a single charge. And I have used some tricks. For example, I have disabled background app refresh, only ChatGPT and WhatsApp is enabled. Background app refresh, as you can see here, this saves a lot of batteries actually. The second thing that I have done is in the notification, I have turned off the notification for all those apps which I don't want notifications from. As you can see here, some notifications are off, some notifications are quietly delivered. Okay, so I don't need all the notifications from these apps, so I have turned off them. And here you can see that WhatsApp is enabled because I need real-time notification from WhatsApp. After that, one thing I should show you, that is in the privacy and security, and here in notification or location services, as you can see here, let me go into system services. I have turned off these toggles. I don't need locations services from these toggles. And if you also click these toggles off, you will have no problem whatsoever in terms of usage of this iPhone, and you will have a great battery life. Also, if you don't use Siri too much, you can turn off Siri from the settings, but in my case I use Siri too much, so I have kept Hey Siri option in the Siri. As you can see here, it is working perfectly well. Hey Siri, what is the time now? So this works very good on iPhone. More thing that I do on my iPhone 17 is that I use black wallpaper, as a result of which it consumes less battery, and at the end of the day I get very good battery life. Also, at times I turn on the night mode or the dark mode when I am inside home, and when I am outside I use day mode, as you can see here. So these features or these things actually help me to get the best battery life out of my iPhone 17. So if you also want to get the best battery life out of your iPhone 17, you must update to the iOS 26.1 stable version, and you will see the magic that you will get great battery life out of your iPhone. So I thought it would be helpful for you to update to the latest version. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have already updated to the latest version or not, and if you are getting very good battery life or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.